This is the Norse Rescue Large Trauma Kit. Now this is a great kit if you need to carry a lot of equipment around with you in a compact size. So the kit itself will go onto a belt, also the strap here, so it'll work on a harness or a leg strap system. So if you do need to put it onto existing clothing and belts, you can do. The kit itself's got lots of stuff inside, but the key benefit of this, if it is strapped to your waist, what you don't want to have to do is try and delve into the pouch to try and get stuff out. So what you can do with this, it's on Velcro, so literally just tear it off and then you can take the kit away. So this part remains on your belt, and then you've got the kit to then use for the emergency. So to start with, just look on the items on the outside here. First thing you can come across is the gloves. Obviously it's important that you wear gloves when dealing with any emergency. Then we've got some other things. We've got the vented chest seal. So for any penetrating injury into the chest. And then here we've also got another one, because if you had two injuries, you want to put one on the front and back. So you've got your two chest seals in this particular kit. Then the kit itself opens up. So it'll open up fully, so you can open up and see everything in there. So this one's configured to have WoundClot in it. So you've got the 10x10 and the 8x100. 10x10 is good because you don't have to use a large, more expensive pack. If you've just got smaller cuts, you can just use the 10x10. And with WoundClot, you can tear it, you can put it on cuts, you can pack it into wounds. So you've got the Z fold if you have anything big to do, but also you can put it in the mouth or in the nose because it is completely harmless to use and a very effective haemostat. Other items inside the kit is we've got a trauma bandage. So this is the medium trauma bandage. This is good for putting on any larger cuts because they're very absorbent. And also you can put it on, so if you put WoundClot on a cut, you can then put this over the top as well if you need to as well. Other items in here, there's a triangular bandage. So if you have an arm injury, you need to put it into a sling. You've got a bandage to do that with. Tourniquet, this is the cat tourniquet. It's actually a training version of one being in blue, but you can have these in the standard orange or black. But also we can put other brands of tourniquet in here if you want. Also we can put tourniquet in as a Citizen Aid product, which is a very effective improvised tourniquet, and it does keep the cost down a little bit. We have some combat tape, which is basically a duct tape you can use within first aid. So it's very good for sealing over bandages. It's good for anything you need to make sure that something's not going to come undone. You can pop that on as well. Other items is a eye patch. So this will go over. You can use this in conjunction with other bandages just to protect the eye if you need to. Then we have the bandage anchoring device. This is used to secure bandages, so you can pop that on and secure a bandage in place to, in areas, maybe in the groin area where you need to apply pressure. It's a very effective tool. You have an emergency blanket, a foil blanket. So this will be keeping somebody warm. Just open it up and use it. And then we have compressed gauze. We have 2 packs of that. Now the compressed gauze is important because you can use it to pack a wound. You can also use it for cleaning wounds up or apply extra padding. It's very good, to use because these little packs here will just open up and you've got a lot of gauze to come uncompressed, and then you can get a lot of gauze to pack a wound. So you can pack that over the top of WoundClot, or you can use it for any other cleaning. So the final thing here, you've got the TCCC card, which is just for recording information. So you can attach that around the wrist of the patient and just record all the key information you want. So it's good for the paramedics to know exactly what you've done before they arrive. Final thing in the kit is a marker pen, which is good for writing on this card, but also you can write the time the tourniquet has been applied and any other notes you have and you need to pass over to the emergency services. And finally, this kit I've showed you here has got these particular items in, but we do different versions of this kit, and we can do bespoke designs as well. This is a general range of products here. So if you need any kits, then let us know.